Welcome back to the Illumination Cancer Frontier Series. In this, our second video, we are going to share a more educational look at the Cancer Frontier Fund and how your generosity supports the most cutting-edge research and innovation through the Siteman Investment Program.
One of the unique features of Siteman Cancer Center is the Cancer Frontier Fund. Bill Coleman and Tom Hillman set this up as a almost venture capital fund. In other words, we would develop partnerships with our community, and that partnership would help us invest in new technologies and new ideas. And that was really the nidus of the Cancer Frontier Fund. The new ideas have resulted in new treatments, in new paradigm shifts, in using genomics to personalize treatments for lung cancer, in developing personalized vaccines that are effective in triple-negative breast cancer, creating new imaging technologies, and even, believe it or not, preventing disease. What the Cancer Frontier Fund does on an annual basis is provide that critical seed funding. We carefully vet the investments in these new ideas, and that helps obtain preliminary data and proof of concept and feasibility, so that when the investigator submits a grant, it has a much better opportunity for success. So for example, in the last number of years, we have invested $33 million, but that $33 million has created over $218 million of peer-reviewed grants. So we provide investment in new ideas that lead to an R01, which is a single investigator grant. We have Team Science Awards, which are investments in collaborative projects. We now have 92 of these highly elite Team Science Awards because of our Cancer Frontier Fund and the success of our peer review process internally in Siteman Cancer Center. We've had a 38% increase in NCI funding in this last year alone. So 2020 has been an incredible year. Obviously, the world has suffered through a pandemic. We, like other institutions, shut down. But it became very obvious to us that if we restricted our care to only emergencies and urgent patient need, we would actually create many more problems than perhaps COVID itself would create. And so we made a very conscientious decision to open up and provide cancer care, and to provide cancer surgeries, and to provide the needed care in spite of having a pandemic. We've probably cared for over 75,000 unique cancer patients, many, of course, who have been immunosuppressed. We've done 30,000 cancer operations over the last year or so, and we have not contaminated one of those patients with COVID. So we're looking forward to this coming year. We hope that the pandemic will be behind us, but over the past year, in spite of COVID, we've still managed to be able to care for our patients with the same compassion, the same passion as we always have had. We wouldn't be able to have that were it not for the partnership with our community and the funds raised through the Cancer Frontier Fund.
Thank you for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed our second Illumination Cancer Frontier Series video. Don't forget to share your story, and if you have any questions, just reach out to the Foundation team. Their information is listed below. See you next month.